This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Renata and Luis Menendez. Come see this cute home in desirable Southwest Cape Coral on Unit 70. The home features 3-bedroom, 2 baths, 2-car garage split floor plan and comes with tenants in place. Brand new roof is in the process of being installed. The house comes with tile throughout. Living room with vaulted ceiling. Inside laundry. Large tiled and enclosed lanai for you to enjoy our beautiful Florida weather. Plenty of room in the backyard for you to build your pool. The location is fantastic, close to Cape Harbor, Tarpon Point Marina, Camelot Isles Shopping Plaza, shopping and restaurants. Easy access to Fort Myers via Cape Coral Pkwy. Don't delay and make for showing appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Renata and Luis Menendez at 239-443-3204.